Welcome to another lesson from Machine Gun Kelly's new album Tickets to My Downfall. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Jawbreaker. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So the intro and verse are made up of 3 chords, the first of which is a D power chord. So for this, you're going to place your pointer finger on the 5th fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 7th fret of the D string, and your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the G string. Next is a E power chord, so you're just going to take the D power chord and move it up 2 frets. And then last is an F sharp power chord, so you're going to take the E power chord and move it up another 2 frets. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the chorus. The chorus uses the same chords as the intro and verse with a different strumming pattern. It sounds like this. Now the chorus. The chorus again uses the same chords, except we're not doing any palm muting. It sounds like this. Now, last part I want to show you is the solo during the outro. It starts on the 4th fret of the D string, then 2nd fret high E string, 5th fret B string, 2nd fret B string, 4th fret G string, 2nd fret G string, 4th fret G string again, except we're going to bend up and then down again, 2nd fret G string, 4th fret D string, then you get that whole first part again. Except when you get to this point, instead of bending up, you're just going to do 4th fret G string, 2nd fret G string, and you're going to do that whole thing twice, and it sounds like this. And that's it for Jawbreaker. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.